Hey guys, I'm Mac Paverick. Yeah, this video is not longer available, but this is the former longest video on YouTube. The duration was 596 hours, and yeah, for a few years you were able to click on the video, but you never were able to watch this video because it was too big. And yeah, now it is deleted. But what is the biggest video on YouTube now? I will find it and I will show it. Yeah, as I mentioned, this was the former biggest video here on YouTube. It had 2.1 million clicks in 9 years, and yeah, if you click on it, you think you will find it, but yeah, some people do jokes or did a joke with it. Yeah, here it is only 30 seconds, so it is not available. Here I found the video on a internet homepage, but yeah, also not available. But what is the longest video now? I take a look for this here and here. This is the longest video now. It is 200 hours, and yeah, you are able to click it. And okay, what's happened now? Yeah, you are able to watch it. Yeah, I think that's really nice. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.